Hi guys, so this is a new video for you, and I will be showing you an amazing script that I write just today that will be automatically run a Symfony project or an Linux server. Today I will be showing you the example of server that created on Linode cloud, but it will be run on any server, and specifically Ubuntu server. So this script it will automatically, so just with some command, that it will automatically install PHP and the PHP most used extensions. It will be also pull up your code from GitHub. It will also set up your database with a new user. It will also set up Nginx, and I will show you a basic configuration that will be used to run a Symfony project. All of this will be done today. So either you are a experienced developer or just a beginner, this script will be help you a lot and save you a lot of time that you would have spent configuring and set up your environment. Let me first create a new Linode server that I will test this script with. So I will choose Ubuntu 22, and I will select the region of Frankfurt, and I will use the lowest budget here, the lowest server capacities. Let me just set up a password for that server. Here we go, and let me create the server. So right now the server is in provisional mode, and it will be in running mode soon. Okay, so that's it. So this is, as I told you, this is the script here, and so it do pretty much all needed to run the Symfony project. This is the PHP configuration here. It's a very simple basic configuration. Okay, so what I need here, so I will wait until this server is in the green mode, is running, and I will just take the IP address and put it here in here. So, and IP address, and you should also get your SSH user and your SSH password that will be used to connect to that server. Okay, so I hope that, okay, so my server is now running, and I will just need to run my and I should have, when this script is run, I should visit this API, and I should say see a website. Also, before this video, I created a Symfony project, just for test, and let me just show you the. Oh yes, so this is the project that will be used, and it will be shown in the website here. And notice that here. So just I will do a quick review on this script. So first of all, this is the database name that you will choose. This is the GitHub token that will be used to pull up the code from the GitHub, and also this is the repo name. For me, it's Symfony. It's called Symfony. Okay. So here, so this repository, and also it will generate a random password for the SQL server. And it will update the repositories, install the essential tools, specifically core, git, vm, and make, and those dependencies. And then it will install PHP version 8.1 and the most common extensions, including MySQL, XML, BCMAT, BZ2, Intel, MBString, and all of these extensions. Then it will install Composer, and also install the MySQL server. Then it will create a new user for you with the generated password, and with the chosen and with the given database name. Later, it will download. It will go to the /user/share/nginx /html folder, and it will clone the GitHub repository in a directory called Symfony. Then it will access to the Symfony, and it will again git pull so it will fetch all the changes from that GitHub, and I think it's not needed. And then it will echo, it will put this database environment variable in the file .env.local, so it will be considered when we run the Symfony project. Then the script, it will install the dependencies of the Symfony project, and it will also flush or migrate the entities. Then it will install Nginx and copy this file, this configuration file, to the Nginx configuration, and reload the Nginx, so it will take in consideration the new configuration. So all this script, it will do all of this. So let me just run the script and show you the results. So as you see right now here, this IPA, it does not give me any response back, but when I will deploy, when I will execute this script, it will give me an answer. So here we go. So right now it's connected to the Linode server, and so this is done with this command here, and also you should have the SSH pass installed on your server, so you can run this script, because here I used the password to copy those files to the server. You could just click OK here. So it's installing all the stuff here. Cool. So I will be waiting. So here it's downloading the composer. So this it will do all the work. I will wait a little bit for it until it will pass. So now it's installing the Symfony project dependencies. It will clear the cache. It will install Nginx. Nice. So, and after that, now when I run the IP address, I get a response: Symfony is alive. So this is the script. It's very useful, guys.